we're taking you straight over to Las Vegas, the Frontier Hotel and Casino. Well, you can see what's happening to it. You don't need me to tell you, so let's just watch. Well, it's being imploded to make way for the Plaza, a brand which was being brought into the Las Vegas Strip. This is one of those buildings, if you've been to Las Vegas, that has formed a rather important part of the Strip. But very shortly, the explosive devices will be set off in sequence. The fireworks just adding to the razzmatazz, Karen.
Been there ever since 1942. Elvis Presley, first performance in Las Vegas in that building. Seen a bit of history. Once they've finished the fireworks...
We've got a director shouting, "Come on, blow it up," in our ears, but we will keep calm and just wait for the fireworks to come to their conclusion. Scheduled for about 30 seconds from now, as I understand it.
The next thing to replace it apparently won't be finished till 2011. It'll be 2011 before they get rid of the existing one at this rate.
We're going to stay with this just simply because we can. It is live, it is Las Vegas, and they're always spectacular pictures. And we're getting the fireworks as well.
How much of this can we stand? Have we got any news?
Well, on the basis that they'll be using this on Newswatch at some stage during the week, we're staying with this because it is always a spectacular display. It is an event, as those demolition experts have spent the last 2 weeks setting up the detonators throughout the building. There is a camera on top of the building, apparently, for the first time. And where's Pudsey when you need him?
8 camera angles. Let's get inside shortly. Shall we really stay with this?
We have to. It's spectacular.
Do you think that something's gone wrong? I'm beginning to wonder.
If you're just joining BBC News 24, live pictures coming in from Las Vegas of the implosion of the Frontier Hotel and Casino, a long-time icon of the Las Vegas Strip, about to be no more, making way for a new shopping and hotel plaza complex. One of the latest of what are iconic buildings along the Strip that have been dealt with in this way over the last few years as Las Vegas increases for its hotel capacity as a result of huge demand in the city.
Been there since 1942. Not for much longer. We hope. Do you want to tell me about your weekend, Simon?
We're not quite that desperate, but we're not far off it. It would appear that the fireworks are still going.
I think perhaps we should move on.
Well, it would be a brave person to pull away from this right now.
Someone in the editorial hierarchy sticking with the courage of their convictions.
This This is live coverage from Las Vegas of the Frontier Hotel and Casino.
Well, we could start looking for interesting facts to tell you about Demolition, but you would know.
Text us.
Yes.
61124. Do you want us to stay with this or not?
Stay or go.
I have a message to say they are using this for future training courses within the BBC, which I thought initially was a good thing. Anyway, we are going to stay with it at the moment, but do text us. They come straight through to us in the studio.
Apparently, Simon, and I know you needed to know this, this all started as a nightclub called Pair of Dice, opened in 1930. Then it became the Ambassador nightclub. Put us out of our misery shortly. It was renamed the 91 Club in 1939, subsequently rebuilt. The Hotel Last Frontier in 1942.
Let me read you some texts we're getting. Stay, it's better. Stay with it. Please stay, says Amanda. Stay, keep it on. Get on with it, says one. And another one saying stay. So keep them on, because while they say stay, we will do it. 61124. It does look as though something's about to happen.
I think it's a good sign that the fireworks have stopped.
Oh, a countdown. 8, 7, 6. Oh, with huge relief, we get to 4, 3.
It was worth it.
Here we go.
The meaning of the word anticlimax has just been redefined. Oh, there we are.
It's too late for a fire alarm to go off, I would have thought.
There we have it, the end of the frontier. We put you out of your misery and ourselves.